Hello traders, welcome to ForexLia. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. We open gold pair. In H1 time frame, so this strategy we need Heiken Ashi smoothed indicator. With default setting, if market above Heiken Ashi smoothed indicator, and Heiken Ashi smoothed indicator signal buy with green line, then you take a buy position. Here is buy signal confirmation, now we place buy trade. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market below Heiken Ashi smoothed indicator, and Heiken Ashi smoothed indicator signal sell with red line, then you take a sell position. Here is sell signal confirmation, now we place sell trade here. We set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.